Wow, what a good girl. What would happen if Daddy stopped feeding you for a little bit? What would happen if you just decided that you were done? Would it make you sad? Oh my goodness. Are you sure you haven't been practicing this? Seriously, have you? You're not wasting very much either, Marion.
Good evening, everyone.
All done? Wow. My goodness. What about you, Nathan? Are you all finished? Whoa. All done eating? All finished? Nope, Nathan. No hitting. Just put it down. Okay, I understand. We're going to stop the movie. Yeah, we are.